Our story research indicates this vehicle as having low monthly fuel costs, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, satellite radio, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2017 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, FWD. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.